Hello, good morning. My name is Shivasa. I am 31 years old. There are 6 members in my family and I am from Nepal. So about the experience, I have 7 years experience. First 3 years in security field and then I worked as a waiter in Dubai, Al Habibi restaurant for 4 years. So currently now I'm in my country Nepal. I have my own business. The hotel name is Hotel Balen. So sir, now I'm going to cut some vegetable like some tomato, onion and cabbage. So first I'm going to cut cabbage.